Welcome to the channel, y'all. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, my garden. And as you can see, I am prepping my garden for spring. So y'all, it feels really good outside, so that's why I'm out here. The temperatures have been in the highs of 70s and 80s, and the lows have been in like the 50s, 40s and 50s. I'm out here getting this garden ready for the spring. And as I'm pulling this top out, trying not to fall, I find this onion. It's not a big bulb, but it's still an onion. Got to have a little music on when I'm in the garden. I'm jamming, and I'm pretty sure my plants are too. At the same time, trying not to fall in all these lumps and bumps you guys can see that I'm walking through in this covered plastic section. You'll see me stumping through, trying to get that plastic pressed down to make sure it suffocates all the weeds underneath this section. So this is actually plastic we used when we painted the house last year. I kept it because I was going to use it to cover the plants. And I put it in that plastic bin over there, which actually had a hole in it. If you guys remember, I caught and I put some holes in there thinking I caught a quail. That's what it was. And put holes in there thinking I was going to be able to keep it. Well, he flew away. So all that to say, there was a hole in the container over there. Water got into it. I was like, I'm not using it because something might be in there. I got up the courage, spread it over this part right here so it can smother all these weeds. I'm going to get something. I thought I had two. Apparently, it's obvious I don't. Something to cover this part right here, smother this, and to get ready for my spring garden. Okay, so we took our strawberries and the ones that was at the bottom, I put them all on the top, and I went in and I put some worm castings in here, my homemade worm castings. You guys know that I have worms, and I have some castings in there. I also have some in the house, and I fertilized it with some of my homemade fertilizer. Straightened out the blown over top that was right here. Kind of lined these up in a row. I'm gonna come back and spruce up this area, but I mainly wanted to get that area done right there so all those weeds can die off and I can reclaim my garden again. Oh, I did bury some old scraps in here, and if you guys can see, I have some potatoes that is growing right here. I'm gonna come in with some more dirt and fertilizer, some more soil and fertilizer, and top that off. And yeah, y'all, that is me working in the garden today, losing time. So I'm going inside and rest my bones. And I'll see you guys in another video. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, my garden. Make sure y'all check out my other channel. It's called Salon Diva V. Share them with your family and friends. And until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Peace.